Every plumbing rough-in inspection is the same inspection. The inspector has a checklist. He has seen every version of every mistake on it, and any one of these items on its own stops your project cold until it is corrected and re-inspected. These are the 10 reasons Florida plumbing inspections fail. 1. Missing or improper vent. Every fixture drain must be connected to a vent. FBC P3103 requires vent pipes to extend to open air, terminate not less than 6 inches above the roof surface, and not less than 10 feet horizontally from any operable window, door, or air intake. A missing vent means the fixture trap siphons on every drain cycle, pulling the water seal out of the trap and leaving an open sewer gas connection between the drain line and the living space. 2. Trap-to-vent distance exceeded. A vent installed too far from the trap it serves is the same as no vent at all. FBC P3105 sets maximum trap arm lengths by pipe diameter. 1.5-inch pipe, 3.5 feet maximum. 2-inch pipe, 5 feet. 3-inch pipe, 6 feet. 4-inch pipe, 10 feet. Beyond these distances, the drain self-siphons regardless of whether a vent exists downstream. This is the most common DIY drain failure. 3. Wrong drain slope. FBC P3005.3 requires horizontal drain lines 3 inches and under to slope 1/4 inch per foot toward the outlet. For 4-inch pipe and above, 1/8 inch per foot. Too little slope and solids settle. Too much slope and water races ahead of solids, leaving them behind. Both conditions cause blockages. The inspector will run a level on your drain lines. 4. Missing cleanouts. FBC P3005.2 requires cleanouts at the base of each vertical stack, at each change in horizontal direction greater than 45 degrees, and at intervals not exceeding 100 feet on horizontal runs. A missing cleanout means the inspector cannot probe the system, and you cannot clear a future blockage without opening a wall. 5. Failed pressure test. FBC P2503 requires water supply systems to be tested at not less than working pressure for 15 minutes, typically 80 pounds per square inch, before any wall covering is installed. DWV systems require a water or air test. A leak discovered after drywall is a far more expensive problem than a leak discovered during the pressure test you were required to run anyway. 6. T&P discharge pipe wrong. The temperature and pressure relief valve is the last line of protection against water heater vessel failure. FBC P2803.6.1 requires the discharge pipe to be full diameter of the relief valve outlet, terminate within 6 inches of the floor or an approved receptor, be rated for hot water, and not be threaded at the outlet. A reduced or capped discharge pipe converts the T&P valve from a safety device into a structural failure point. 7. No backflow prevention at hose bib. FBC P2902 requires an atmospheric vacuum breaker at each hose bib on the potable water supply. A garden hose submerged in a bucket of fertilizer solution, connected to a hose bib without a vacuum breaker, is a cross connection. Under back siphonage conditions, that solution pulls directly into the potable water supply. This is a public health violation, not a minor code technicality. 8. Shower pan not flood tested. FBC P2503.6 requires shower pans and receptors to be flood tested, filled with water to the level of the rough threshold and held for 15 minutes before the floor covering is installed. A liner that passes a visual inspection and fails the flood test means water migrates beneath the tile, saturates the substrate, and produces a mold condition that will not be visible until the tile cracks or the subfloor fails. 9. Improper pipe support. FBC P2605 requires PVC and ABS drain pipe to be supported at maximum 4-foot intervals on horizontal runs. Unsupported runs sag between supports, creating low points where slope reverses, water pools, and solids accumulate. A pipe that looks level at installation will sag under its own weight and fluid load within months. 10. Missing water heater drip pan. FBC P2801.6 requires a pan beneath every water heater installed where a leak could damage the structure. The pan must drain to a floor drain, to the exterior, or to a receptor visible to the occupant. A water heater in a utility closet or on a finished floor without a pan is a direct and common inspection failure in Florida. Any one of these fails the inspection. All 10 are visible before drywall. All 10 are cheaper to correct at rough-in than after the walls close. If your plumbing inspection was flagged for any of these, share this with whoever held the permit. They need it more than you do. Subscribe for more Florida building code in plain language.